guys, welcome back. This is Dominique Lee, but today we're gonna do something different. This is my current favorite video, so let's just start. This scrub is from WISHFUL. This is Huda's a beauty company as well, and I've been using this scrub for almost like 2 months, 1.5 months, and for me it works really well. And it just takes off your dead skin, and after one use you can feel your skin, your face so smooth. And this is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I've been using this primer for like a couple of months already, and I've been just loving this. I just got a new one because the one I had, I ran out of it, so I had to get another one. But after Jeffree Star review on this, I was like, I need to get that. I need to get it because I really believe in what Jeffree says all the time. I believe in, I really trust in him when he's said something about a product. So that's why I was like so urged to get it. And my friend too, Senia, she bought me one of this, but she never came and I had to get it. So I got one first and then I got this one. I just used the last thing that was on the bottle thingy. I stopped using this for a couple of months, for like 3 months I stopped using it because I like to try new things. And when a new product comes out, I want to try it just to see, you know, if it works for me, obviously. So well, I'm just gonna show you this foundation. This is, oh my god, this is the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. I use this foundation every time I do my makeup. Like, I have like maybe 7 foundations in my drawer and I don't use it. This is in shade 220 Natural Beige. I don't think I will ever get tired of this foundation, but right now this is what I'm using. This is what I use all the time. So the next product that I'm gonna show you is this primer. This is the Hydro Grip Primer from Milk Cosmetics, I don't know. But I've been using this primer for like 3 weeks and I'm in love. It's like a game changer for your whole makeup. It's like, this is like glue in a good way. Like anything you put on your face is gonna stay on your face. So this is another staple of my makeup routine. And for makeup, this was a gift that I got from my birthday. My sister-in-law got it for me, and this is the first time that I see this brand. I never see this brand before, I don't know, but it looks so cute. Look how it looks. I just like the package, and I don't know if you can see like shining. But it's a beautiful palette. This is the one I'm using right now on my face. Big chin. So this is how it looks inside. It has the highlighter. This is the one I have right now. It's like a rose gold, and it has a peach blush. This is how it looks down the highlighter. You see, it's so pretty. Yeah, there, it's really pretty. And this is all the shades that came in. I have this one, and this one, and this one in my inner corner. It's so pretty. And then it comes with this little brush. I was so happy because I really liked how it looks, how it looked. The palette is pretty. The name is Petite and Pretty, and I'm petite. I don't know if I'm pretty, but I'm petite. And now we're gonna talk about Netflix. Let me tell you, let me see. I am obsessed. I'm obsessed with Stranger Things. girl, a boy, whoever is watching this, I've been watching in this whole quarantine. I've been watching the 3 seasons of Stranger Things, and I watched it before. The first time that I watched Stranger Things, I watched season 1 a Saturday, the whole season, and season 2 a Sunday, because I was obsessed. I'm just obsessed about the clothes that they use. I even got a shirt. I don't know if it's somewhere else. I don't want to get up, but I even got a shirt. I'm buying a high waist pants, and I roll them up. I even got Reebok, like the one they were using before. I think it's C85 vintage, something like that, and I'm obsessed. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. I'm like my daughter too. She's been watching Stranger Things, and I'm obsessed with it. Okay, so before that I was watching Criminal Minds, and I watched them all season. I'm waiting for season 14, I think, to come out on Netflix, but I don't know when they're gonna put it, so I've been just waiting, because that was like my everyday show to watch. I watched also Jane the Virgin. It was really nice. I watched season 1 and season 2. I thought it was gonna be another one, but that was the last one. And let me see if there's another one. I don't think there's another one. No, I think that's it. I watched something, but it was really short. It's called buying. Let me see, because I forgot and my phone is off. I think it's Buying Sunset. I don't know. I will just put it down below when my phone is on and when I'm editing this video. I don't know. But so just let me know what movies that you guys watch, shows, something that are you watching, so that I can watch. I've been just repeating shows, you know, and movies like a crazy person. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.